welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef, and today I want to show you how I'm going to make my lunch. So what are you guys having for lunch? As you're joining me today, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if you're catching this live or if you're watching the replay, and I would love to know what you're eating for lunch. Are you eating out somewhere, or are you making something at home, or did you take a lunch with you to work or to school, wherever it is that you are watching from today. So I'm really excited because I'm going to be using some chicken salad that is from Chicken Salad Chick. So I know that Chicken Salad Chick is all over the place, and my friend Karen Jordan, she is the franchise owner in Bradenton, Florida, and I stopped by there a few days ago and grabbed some chicken salad, and they need to be eaten by today. So I was really glad that I could get 5 or 6 days out of the chicken salad, and I have a little bit left, so I decided that I was going to make a chicken salad wrap. So all my Carrollton friends, I'm going to make this kind of like Highland Deli's Mary Queen of Scott in a spinach tortilla. If you're in Carrollton, please go by Highland Deli and eat for me. I really miss being able to eat there, and this is going to make me feel a little bit like I'm at home, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this in your own kitchen. So today I'm going to be using Pampered Chef's Deluxe Grill and Griddle. It's already preheated. If you're not familiar with this product, I have a whole video showing you a deluxe grill and griddle class, like literally showing you start to finish all the amazing things that you can do with this grill and griddle. I also have a playlist on my YouTube channel. You can go there and choose the playlist for the deluxe grill and griddle, and you'll find video after video after video showing you how you can use this. And so today we're going to make basically grilled paninis, but I'm going to use a spinach tortilla. So don't forget to let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if you're catching this live or if you're watching the replay. I've got some spinach tortillas. I bought these at Aldi, and I am going to be using Chicken Salad Chick's chicken salad. So what's your favorite chicken salad? I know I posted this in my recipe community the other day. If you have a favorite flavor from Chicken Salad Chick, then let me know what it is. And today I've got some classic Carol and some cranberry Kelly. I think I'm going to use the cranberry Kelly. There's a little bit more of this. I think it'll fill this tortilla up a little bit more, and it's similar to the chicken salad that they have at Highland Deli in Carrollton, which I love and miss. So you're going to take your spinach tortilla. You could use sun-dried tomato tortilla or a flour tortilla, whatever you have on hand or whatever you like. That's what you can use. So I'm just going to put the chicken salad here in the middle of my tortilla, and these are called Quick Chicks, by the way. I didn't know that, but I bought a fundraiser card from my friend Karen before Christmas. It was a fundraiser for Cure and also for Feeding Empty Little Tummies, which is a local organization here. And so I bought some of those. I shared some. Some of you watching may have received that from me. And the promotion for January was buy 2 Quick Chicks and get 1 for free. Now I'm rolling this up. You see how I kind of folded those edges and rolled this up. I'm going to put this in here, and I'm just going to hover that lid and press down, and then press the wheel to start. This is a pre-programmed time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I don't know if it's going to take quite that long, but I'm going to check on it in just a second, and we'll see how it's going. So you can use panini bread. You could use regular old sandwich bread if you like, to make this, to turn your chicken salad into a sandwich, or you can use a wrap like I'm using today. I love making things out of leftovers, and so this chicken salad is good with crackers. It's good on, I like their wheat bread at Chicken Salad Chick, and it's also really good inside of a tortilla like I'm doing here today. So what do you use your deluxe grill and griddle for the most? I always hesitate to say this is one of my most used appliances, because if you were to spend a day in the life of Mindy Banks, you would see that I use pretty much all of Pampered Chef's appliances almost every single day for something. I keep them out on my counter. The only one that doesn't stay out is the Flex Plus. I keep it in a bin inside of my cabinet. Okay, this looks great. So that was only like a minute. So we've got nice grill marks on here, and I'm going to lock this lid back, close this down, press cancel, and I'm going to turn this off so it'll start cooling down. Those grill grates, literally, I'll just be able to wipe them off with a wet paper towel when this is clean. But if you cook something that is really juicy or greasy, then you can just take those plates out and put them in the dishwasher. So I hear people tell me that they don't put them in the dishwasher. And it blows my mind because we make things so easy for you. So don't make it harder on yourself. Just take them out, rinse them off, put them in the dishwasher. So I hesitate to say what my favorite appliance is because I do use them almost every single day. So for the deluxe grill and griddle, you guys have heard me. If you've been at my Pampered Chef parties, you've seen me on videos. I use this for grilled chicken more than anything else. We have grilled chicken 3 or 4 times a week, and I love this because it will hold 3 or 4 chicken breasts depending on the size. I flatten them out, I put a little oil on them, and then my family just picks the seasonings that they like the most, or what they're feeling in the mood for that night, and we can have everybody in the house. We can all have a different flavor chicken if we want, and I typically like to cook a little bit extra. You can do a second batch. The easy thing to do is just push that add 30 seconds button. It'll maintain the temperature of the grill, and you can add however much time, so 30 in increments of 30 seconds, and you can add another batch of chicken on there. So I like to do extra chicken so that I have it for my salads because I work from home and I'm usually here at lunchtime, and I like to be able to make something quick and easy. And so being able to take that leftover chicken, chop it up, put it in a salad, and have my lunch and then get back to work is really easy for me. So I'm gonna go enjoy my, as I throw it across the room, enjoy my chicken salad wrap made with chicken salad from Chicken Salad Chick. So if you are local to me in the Sarasota area, be sure to go see my friend Karen. She is at the Bradenton location, Chicken Salad Chick. Tell her I sent you, and get yourself some cranberry Kelly or whatever flavor sounds the best for you, and get some to go. Get some quick chicks. I didn't even know they had these until last week, and so I know, because I don't live really close, I like this because I can run in there, grab some, bring it home, put it in the fridge, and I can enjoy it over several days. So I have missed you guys. I hope that everybody is doing well. Stay tuned for some more videos. If you have any questions for me, if you need to place an order or book a party, I would love the opportunity to help you do that. And I look forward to talking to you guys really soon. Have a great afternoon. Bye, everyone.